Ever since the day that you went away, you've been sending flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Flowers, flowers to me, flowers today, flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms. Sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. You've been sending flowers to me, send me no flowers today. Instead of sending flowers, come back to me and hold me in your arms again. Ever since the day that you went away, you went away.
Hi and welcome to a new tutorial of Made by Siem, the Flowery Face Scrubbies. I made 6 of them for just one present. Well, actually I made them for myself, but if you want to make them for a present or a gift, baby shower, birthday, Christmas, Mother's Day is coming up soon. You know, they're just lovely small presents. You can make a lot of these in just not a lot of time. I think I make about 6 in an hour or so, or hour and a half. So they're just the cutest face scrubbies to make. Whenever you're going to make these as well and you want to use the same yarn, then please go down to the description box of this video and I'm going to tell you where to purchase. There's a link so you know where to purchase this fantastic yarn, and I would really appreciate it if you would use my link for that. For now I'm going to give you a close-up for the face scrubby. This is what it looks like and I'm so in love with these. Look how beautiful they are. I recommend to use cotton yarn. Always use cotton yarn for items in the kitchen and in the bathroom. That's all I can say about it. I hope you enjoy watching this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up if you did like the video, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel and enjoy the video. For today's tutorial I'll be using the natural cotton, 100 grams, 180 meters. It's a lightweight 3. If you want to use this fantastic ice yarns natural cotton as well, then please go down to the description box of this video and use my link. It will bring you straight to the website where to buy this beautiful yarn. So I'm going to use that. I suggest for making face scrubbies always use 100% cotton yarn. Then I'm going to use a 4mm crochet hook, a darning needle and a pair of scissors. If you want to make it as a present, so you're not making it for yourself but you're making it for a present, you probably also want to use a ribbon or crochet your own ribbon, a little card, and so you can tell the person for who it is, what it is, and out of what material it was made, and so on and so on. Okay, I'm going to start off with a magic circle, and if you are not familiar with the magic circle or you just can't stand it doing it, you can also just go for a chain 4 and insert your hook into the first chain and then slip stitch, so you will have a circle 2. Right? Now this is how I make my magic circle. I'm just going to show you. Bring it down, cross in front, and bring it straight down and hold it with your little pinky. So I have a cross here and I have 2 lines there, 2 strands of yarns there. Then I hold my hook with the hook facing down. I go underneath the first strand of yarn, and I'm grabbing my second strand of yarn, and I turn my hook like that, and then go underneath the first strand of yarn you see here, and just pull through the loop on your hook. There you go. Then you also made your very first chain. Yeah, so we have a magic loop and a chain 1. Now we need a chain 3, so we're going to add a chain 2. So now we have a chain 3. Into the circle, 13 double crochet stitches. So counting the chain 3 as well, you will end up having 14 double crochet stitches. Yarn over, insert your hook into the magic circle, grab your yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And in this video I'm using US terms only. Yarn over, insert, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And this is what you do until you have 14 double crochet stitches. Okay, now I'm pulling on my tail end so my magic circle will close. See, so if you pull it, it closes. Now go to the third chain of the chain 3 of the beginning of this round, insert your hook in top, yarn over and pull through. Okay? Next round. Pull up your hook, just like that. So you pull up a loop, like that. And it should have the height of a double crochet. Then yarn over, go into the very first chain stitch here. This is the same stitch as where you slip stitched in. Yarn over and pull up a loop, so you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, insert, grab your strand of yarn, yarn over, insert, grab your strand of yarn. Now you have, I think, 7 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think there are 7 loops here. Yarn over and pull through all loops on your hook and chain 1. Yarn over, go to the next double crochet, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook into the same stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through all stitches on your hook and chain 1. Yarn over and exactly the same into the next stitch. So you will have to pull up loops 3 times per stitch and then a chain 1. 1, 2, 3. Yarn over and through all stitches, chain 1. And this is what you do for all 14 stitches in this round. So when you finish this round, you should have 14 of these puff stitches. I have 14 of these puff stitches, and I did a chain 1, and now I'm going to close my circle, my round I should say, with a slip stitch in, where are you, in this stitch. pull up a loop and put it through the stitch on your hook. Now go to the next chain 1 space, which is here, insert your hook, pull up a loop and put it through the stitch on your hook. Chain 1, go between the puff stitches, so into the chain 1 space, insert your hook, pull up a loop, yarn over and pull through 2. So make a single crochet stitch into the chain 1 space. Then chain 2 and 2 double crochet stitches into the same chain space. 1 and 2. Skip the next puff stitch and go to the chain space. Single crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet stitches into the same chain space. Skip the next puff and go to the chain space, single crochet, chain 2 and 2 double crochet stitches. And this is the pattern for this very last round of this lovely flowery scrubby. I did 14 and then go back to the single crochet of the beginning of this round, insert your hook, grab your yarn and pull through the loop on your hook. Usually I would do a chain 1, but for this scrubby I don't. So cut your yarn and pull it through. And that's your lovely little flowery scrubby. I'm going to sew in all my yarn ends. Be sure that you close the hole here in the middle. And I'm going to sew it all in on the back side of the scrubby. And as soon as I've done that, I'll be back. Well, this is my complete set. And I really, really love how they turned out. You can make as many in your set as you like. I'm going to keep these myself, but if you want to make them as a gift, you can stack them just like that. And put a ribbon around them, tie a little knot or a bow, add a little card saying that it was made from 100% cotton yarn, put some cellophane paper around it, tie a nice of a piece of ribbon around that as well, and you have yourself the most beautiful and perfect gift for Mother's Day, Christmas, a birthday, a baby shower, you know, whatever reason you can come up with for giving someone a lovely little homemade present. There you can use them for. Or just a little present for yourself. Okay? I really do hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you loved it and you've made these, please share them with me and everyone else on your socials. Be sure to tag me when you post it on Instagram or Twitter, or hashtag me. And if you want to show them to me on Facebook, please come and join us at our Facebook group Made by Siem headquarters. Please do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, give a thumbs up for this video, and if you want to use the same yarn, then go down to the description box of this video where you can find the link to purchase this fantastic ice yarns, natural cotton. I would really appreciate it if you go to their website, that you use my link, because that will help me out a lot. Thank you guys. Enjoy.